So we've got this problem here. We've got one product can appear on many orders, and we've got one order can contain many products. So what we need to do is try and resolve this somehow and look for the things in the order table that are the repeating bits. What causes the many on the order table? Well, the only relation, the link between the two tables, look, it should be product code. So it's product code over here and it's product code over here. Now the problem is product code exists once in the menu table, that's fine, but it appears many times in here. But there are some things which are just going to get repeated. So date, order taken by, company name will get repeated each time we have an order. So we saw that on this, where's my table gone? Here. So we saw that on here. If I take the order table and let's put it back over here. Okay, so here's my table and we can see the date, order taken by and company name just get repeated. Product code is the bit that changes, and obviously quantity ordered is the bit that changes. So what we can actually do for the order, we can say, okay, well for the order, well let's take all these, let's stop this repetition here. So let's pull those out and put those into their own table, if you like, and call it order. Because this is what gets repeated. So what I'm going to do, so here it is. So I'm just going to take out of this, I'll take out the bits that are repeating. Okay. Okay, so in my order table now, I've still got a composite key, and I've got the date and the company name. So there is now a key which says this is the date, this is the company name, this is the order for that date. Okay, I can still have order taken by, and that will only contain one of these. So for that particular order, there will be just one record. So basically what I'm doing is I'm splitting this table up. Right, I can't change this lot here, okay, but I can change this stuff here. Okay, so somehow I need to relate that to the product code. So the other the other two fields, let's take them out. I'll just move this out of the way. Come on, let's just shift that out of the way, and let's copy and paste that. So in this one, I want to leave, so I don't need the date anymore, don't need the order taken by, I need the company name, and click OK. Okay, and I'm going to call this order, I'll call it ordered item. Okay, so these are the items that have been ordered. So I've got the product code and the quantity ordered. Now I need some way to relate these two together. So it looks as though I'm going to have to get rid of this composite key, and otherwise I'm going to have them in here as well. Okay, but I could do, let's put them in. So if I said we're going to add, oh, I just need to add them, cancel here, sorry. So I'm going to have product code, quantity order, company name, and let's have dates there. Okay, and these will still be primary keys. Oops, product code, quantity order, yeah, okay. So that's one way I can do that. So, and now these are related, date and company name are related here, but then this is allowed to repeat. Now the other way I could do that is by adding, if I added another field in here and called it the order code and made that the primary key. So I'll make a number for my order, and then in this table I can get rid of those two other fields, but add in the order code, and that is now what we call a foreign key. So it's a key in another table, so it provides that link. So ordered item would be that field that links together. Okay, so instead of having menu, order and ordered item, and menu and order, I've now got what I've got to deal with this problem, to break the relationship between order and menu, is I've now got this table in the middle which joins them up together. Okay, so you should be able to see now. Okay, so product code relates back to the product code on the menu, and that's all dealt with, and order code relate back to the order here. Okay, so these are now not primary keys or anything. Okay, so order code is a unique key. So I've got one. So this order code just relates back to one order, and the product code relates back to one product. Okay, so that's how we deal with that many to many. And basically, what we've done, we split the table into two, and we've added an extra key, and then we've just taken the repeated bits into that centered ordered item. You can call it order line, you can call it whatever you like, but I'll call it ordered item.